Good morning, Regal Plastics. It's Gareth here again from San Antonio. This is our machine and mill shop. We laid these machines out in such a fashion that the operator can go from one machine to the next without having to break their workflow. We also put lines on the floor. This is our assembly area here. So any work that they do on these machines, they can assemble here if they need to. The second benefit of these lines is safety. Nothing goes outside of the lines, nothing happens. Untoward, we don't drive fork trucks inside of the lines. It's very effective. But the most important thing is every machine now has a number, a part number. We can reference what it costs us to upkeep the machine, how often it's had CINL, which is clean, inspect and lubricate, how often we're buying components, and that way we can make a determination if the machine has life, if it's costing us more than it's worth and needs replacing, if it's safe, and ensure that we're doing the correct amount of maintenance on it to make it safe. That is one of the lean improvements we've introduced in San Antonio. There's going to be more. Thank you.